welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber Marion. Happy New Year. It's officially 2023. This is my first upload of the year. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new here, welcome back. As always, before we get into today's video, please take a quick look down below and make sure you're subscribed to my channel by making sure that little red button is clicked. And you might as well go ahead and turn on your post notifications, because why would you want to miss an upload for the new year? You might as well just do it. Costs you nothing. Means the world to me. Go ahead and hit that little button. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you may have missed my reel where I kind of did a sped up what's in my purse using the same bag. So if you're not following me on Instagram, this is your reminder. Go ahead and follow me. And I thought, why not kick off the year with a what's in my bag video? This is a super realistic what's in my bag. Literally just got home from the grocery store, so what's in my bag is what's in my bag. So let's get right into it. The purse that I'm currently carrying is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. I absolutely love the Louis Vuitton Bumbags. This is the League of Legends limited edition version. I do have an unboxing here on my channel. I unboxed this during Vlogmas, my 21 days of unboxings. I will link it somewhere on the screen so you can watch the full unboxing if you haven't already. The other day I made a reel of what was in my bag, and I thought, why not just carry it over to YouTube, being that what's in my bag videos and my at-home blowout routine video are the most requested videos in the comments. I just always feel weird doing what's in my bag videos because I feel like the contents of my bag don't change that often. They do, but they don't. So I always feel a little weird and repetitive, but I definitely have gotten some new SLGs since the last time I did a what's in my bag video. I think my first what's in my bag video here on YouTube is what kind of made me want to lean more towards doing luxury related videos and style videos as opposed to beauty videos. I'm not sure, but I will link somewhere on the screen my first what's in my bag video. I feel like the Louis Vuitton Bumbag is very deceiving in size and how much it holds. So I thought this would be the perfect bag to do a what's in my bag video to. It literally holds all of my daily essentials. There's nothing that I need every day that doesn't fit in this bag. So let's get right into what's in my bag. Get right into it. If you hear Brixley in the background, I'm not even going to apologize. It's Brixley. So in this zippered pocket, I like to keep things that I can just grab really quickly without going in the front flap of the bag. So I have some masks in there. I still wear masks. It is what it is. I have a prescription for my eyeglasses. I need glasses and I still haven't gotten them. I've been walking around with the prescription though. I keep a hand sanitizer. And then not going to be as easy as I thought. And then I also keep a Vaseline creme brulee, little small thing in the back zipper there. And that Vaseline, I don't know if people know this, but it's good for everything. It's good for dry skin. It's not just for your lips, just because it comes in a cute little container. So getting into the big flap, the main part of the bag. The only thing that I don't have in my bag at this moment, which I usually have in my bag in the back zipper, is my phone, which is an iPhone 14. So that should give you guys a size reference to how big the pocket is. It's a super gloomy day here in New Jersey. The weather has been crazy everywhere, so if the lighting is a little off, if it looks a little dark, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I can't believe yesterday was January 4th and it was 62 degrees in the tri-state area, when like the week before that we were in single digits, and like Florida was in like the teens. Anyways, I apologize for the gloomy lighting. So getting right into the bag, I like to keep my sunglasses on top just so that they don't break, and usually I am wearing them, so they're not in my bag that often. The sunglasses that I'm currently wearing are my LV Cyclone glasses. I did unbox these in a collective haul. I did unbox these in a collective haul, which I will also link up on the screen. Next thing in my purse is my car key fob, and I have it attached to my Louis Vuitton Vivienne in Soho keyring from the 2022 animation collection. Real life. I do have Gerber snacks as well as some cookies that I need to refill. I like carrying some of Brix's snacks in my purse, not only in her diaper bag, because obviously my bum bag goes across my body. It's a lot easier to get to her snacks when need be if we're out. The next thing I have in my bag is a Touchland lavender sanitizer. Absolutely love these sanitizers because I feel like they are the only ones that don't dry my hands out. And I feel like they're also the only spray sanitizer that doesn't have a cap, that if like it hits something in your bag, it won't spray. So that's why I like these. You get these at Ulta. Highly suggest for inside your purse because, like I said, you don't have to worry about it accidentally spraying. The next thing in my bag is my wallet. I use this wallet, which is from the 2021 Vivienne Holiday Animation Collection. It is Vivienne in Japan with the cherry blossoms. Beautiful pink inside color. Absolutely love this wallet. I use this wallet whenever I'm using like a bum bag or a mini bag as opposed to my longer wallets. So I like to use a small kind of trifold wallet when I am using a mini bag. The next thing, no surprise, got a little travel size Lysol with me. I am the queen of sanitization. I am the queen of I will spray it down. I don't care. I got a baby. It's germs. I don't like germs. I didn't like germs before COVID. I don't like germs. A lot of sanitizer, a lot of Lysol keeps me happy. So, as always, a staple in my bag is my Terry Mugler Angel To Go perfume. I own a lot of perfumes, and literally the only one I wear is Angel. And every time I wear it, I say this all the time. Every time I wear it, people ask me what I'm wearing, and then I say Angel, and they're like, and what else? Because I've smelled Angel, and that's not Angel. And one time a woman like really went into depth that it's like probably how my skin ferments with the perfume. I don't know. I love Angel. Everybody says it smells different on me than it does on other people. It's literally my signature scent. It's the only thing I really like to wear. I wish the team over at Terry Mugler would understand how much I love Angel. Definitely a must-have, a to-go Tylenol. For myself, you never know when you're going to get a headache. You never know when life is going to happen. So I like to keep a little Tylenol in there. Then I kind of just have this little case which holds like my insurance card, Brixie's insurance card, things like that. And then this is probably the least cool part of my purse every single time, of my bag every single time. But it is my EpiPen. And then I have Benadryls in there. I don't know if you can see the Benadryls. You can't see the Benadryls. And I have a ton of Benadryls in there. And I also have Marley's service dog certification paper in there as well. And what else do I have in there? Oh, my little lucky ladybug. I feel like I keep my little ladybug, I feel like I keep my lucky little ladybug with my EpiPen in hopes that I never have to use my EpiPen. This is my little lucky ladybug. It's like a little porcelain ladybug, and I've had this in my purse since I'm probably like 17 or 18. Carry my little ladybug. Normally I have a lip gloss in there as well. When I use my bigger bags, I have a whole cosmetic bag, of course, in my bag. but this is kind of the standard essentials for my bum bags, my mini bags, like my Palm Springs, or just any small bag in general. I also always keep a, what would you call this? Tube. I also always keep a lipstick tube of Honey Love, which is my signature lip from MAC. So that always has to be in my purse. Like I said, it's super deceiving how much really fits in here. As you guys just saw, everything I took out of here was in here. It fits so comfortably. So I really love how much you can fit into the bum bag. I know there's like a lot of talk in the luxury community about whether or not the bum bag is like a loved style. It's kind of like one of those styles, you either love it or you hate it. And I absolutely love it. I could go on and on and on for days about how much I love the LV bum bag. It's literally probably my favorite style, favorite style of bag across every bag that I own. But the thing that I love most about it, it's so practical and it literally fits everything. And I feel like it's deceiving. You wouldn't think that. Just looking at it, it looks like a smaller bag, but it's really not. It's super roomy. You guys saw I have everything in here that I could possibly need and then some. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel with them post notifications turned on, because you do not want to miss any of the uploads I have coming for the new year. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.